My name is a Nokia G50, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And what you want to do is open up your standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars and go to Settings, where you should find Import option at the bottom. Select that you want to import from SIM card. This will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM. So by default they will all be selected. So you can deselect ones that you might not want. And in addition, if you see some contacts that are deselected and grayed out to the point that you cannot select them, that means that those contacts already exist on your device and your phone is simply stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. So anyway, once you have everything selected that you want, click on Import. And there you go. It gives you the amount of contacts that have been imported. And when you go back, you should be able to see them in your list right here. So that is how you import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.